children, today we are going to study quadratic equation. There are number of ways to solve the quadratic equation. But before that you should understand which equation is said to be a quadratic equation. Now see on the board what I have written. 9x square minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Why it is quadratic? Because the first term of this equation is square term. Square term, if any equation contains square term, then this equation is termed as quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation by completing square method. By completing square method means what? First of all, we have to remove the coefficient of square term. It's our duty to remove the coefficient of the square term. To remove means this is multiplied. So first of all we will divide it. 9x square divided by 9 minus 12 upon 9 into x plus 2 by 9, that is equal to 0 by 9. Dividing 9 on both sides. We got this. Now 9 get cancelled. Reduce it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. X square minus 4 by 3x, that is equal to, this is 0. And this quantity we are going to take on that side. So it becomes minus 2 by 9. And see children, this is our first equation. Now x square by 4 by 3x. Here we have to introduce k. And we are not going to consider this much portion. Instead of that, as this quadratic equation we got related to with that, we have to put here either x plus a bracket square or x minus a bracket square. It depends on the sign of the middle term. As the sign of the middle term is negative, so you should write here x minus a bracket square. If it is positive, you can write here x plus a bracket square. Now expand it so that x square minus 4 by 3x plus k, that is equal to x binomial expansion x square minus twice of ax plus x a square. X square will get cancelled on both sides. Now the coefficient of x we have to consider and compare, means equate on both sides. Minus 4 by 3, this is the coefficient of x on this side, and the coefficient of x on this side is minus twice of a. So minus will get cancelled and becomes minus 4 by 3, that is equal to twice of a. Here in this equation, first of all we have to find value of a. So how to find? See children, a is equal to 4 by 3 into 2 is equal to a, means a is equal to 4 upon 6. Again reduce it by 2. 2 2s are and 2 3s are, means a is equal to 2 by 3, and this is very important value. So here in this equation, if we consider value of constant k is equal to, it will be as k is equal to a square. See children, once again this step I will explain. X square get cancelled on this both side. Then the coefficient of x on the both side we had equated and we found the value of a. So the constant will be k here and the constant will be a square here. We have to equate them so that you will have k is equal to a square, and a means what? A is 2 by 3 and bracket square. So value of k will be 4 upon 9, and this value we have to add in the equation number 1 on the both side. Okay? Yes, na? So we are going to add this value of k on this both side of equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x square minus 4 by 3x. We have to add k over here. K means 4 by 9, that is equal to minus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Means children, we had added 4 by 9 on both sides of equation number 1, and the support is adding 4 by 9 on both sides of equation number 1. Now see children, this is the expansion of one of the binomial. So how to identify whose expansion it is. So it is the expansion of, take the square root of this quantity, sign of the middle term, and the square root of this quantity. Means root of first and third quantity we have to take, and the sign of the middle term we have to put, and the square. So if we expand x minus 2 by 3 bracket square, the answer will be exactly one and the same above. And here these are the two fractions having same basis, keep one time only, and here is minus 2 plus 4 in the numerator will be 2 by 9. Now this is the square of bracket 2 by x minus 2 by 3 bracket square. Now we have to remove the square root on the both side. Square root of the bracket is only bracket, remember children. Square root of square bracket is only bracket, and here square root of this quantity, square root of 2 is not available. So we have to put in the symbol plus or minus square root of 2, and root of 9 is 3. Got? So this quantity we have to take on that side, so that you will have the value of x as x is equal to 2 by 3 plus or minus root 2 upon 3. You can keep as it is also, and bifurcate it as plus and minus, and the solution set will be solution set of the given quadratic equation is equal to, in the curly bracket you can write 2 by 3 plus root 2 upon 3, plus or minus, two signs are here, na? So one time I consider plus, and in the next value we will consider minus sign, so that it will become 2 by 3 minus root 2 upon 3, curly bracket complete. Okay.